Hey people, welcome to my channel. It is the iPhone SE, the most awaited unboxing. I was just looking forward to this. I have gone for the red color. It looks absolutely cool. I'm going to open it and show you what is inside. My little one is going to help me unbox this. We're really excited. And there it is. Oh, it's so adorable. I love the red color. I'm a huge fan. The red and black is awesome. The Apple logo is back in the center, just like in the 11 series now. We also got the headphones, the adapter, and the charging cable. Turn this thing on. Press the button here. Currently, the contributions from Product Red goes towards the COVID-19, so it's for a good cause.
This is like really legit. Hello? Akka, come over here! You have to get your phone ready. It's like saying hello and hello. Something like bonjour. Cool. We're English. We need English. This is like really cool. We're in the United Kingdom. Setting language.
Data transfer was simple. The SE is a compact phone. It is smaller compared to the 6S Plus and 11 Pro Max, but it's a beautiful phone to have in the budget. The sound quality of the phone is very, very impressive. The only thing that I am upset about is the size of the phone and the bezels. Keeping that aside, I think SE is a very good phone. It's compact, and an iPhone for this price range is a good buy. I hope you enjoyed the unboxing. Thank you for watching. Do like, share, and subscribe. Bye.